Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG to a PDF. This is going to be real simple. First I'm going to use the website freeconvert.com, and as you can see we are at the website right now, and so there's no software to download and install and purchase. It's free and it's web-based. Works on Windows, Mac, even your mobile devices. So anyway, first thing is you choose the JPEG file, and I'm going to select this one. And as you can see, the file has already downloaded. That was pretty fast. It's a small file. Once the file is converted, it'll change to this right here, done. And so now you can download individual files one by one, or if you did a batch of files, you can download all of them in a zip format. All you have to do is select this button over here, download all, and that'll zip it up for you. And this is how you convert a JPEG to a PDF. It is very simple. And of course, once you've done that, you just click this and it downloads the new PDF right to your computer. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified on simple tech help videos like these. Thanks for watching.